Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and I have tooth there now. I'm so excited about that, okay, but we're not doing that now. So, we're going to be playing some smashers. I need to take these egg parts out. You know what? They're called Zoom Smashers. So, Smashers they're like blue eggs or whatever color eggs. You can search it up on Amazon. You can buy some, and when it comes to your house, it will be in a pack of whatever color eggs you buy. You smash them, and out comes a surprise. And this is the rarest one there. But it says it's glow in the dark, but it's not. Maybe, yeah, it's broken, so who cares? So, I'm gonna go get, okay, I need to say one word at a time. So, smashers. I'm not gonna be playing with them today. Another day. Before you say anything, this isn't much, but I'm just telling you have to buy it. I will be posting this as much. Just go on Amazon, type in Creeper, buy one of these, and yeah. Or it will shoot you. Pew, pew, pew. Okay. Put it back. Relax. Camera's falling. Okay. I'll just go get it. I'll go get the slime. I'm back. Okay. Just looking. Arthur? He has one of my favorite songs on. Okay. Now the slime. Oh, it looks better from yesterday when I got it. Oh. I don't want to be playing with this. Oh, okay, let's put that in there. Okay, you. Yeah. Oh. I don't be playing with this. Subscribe, hit that notification button, give this video a big thumbs up. Good luck. Very good luck. This is work. This is the most stickiest part. My God, I need to laugh. I changed my mind. I'm not doing this. See you guys. Peace out. Listen. Have a twice double, three triple day. Good day.